Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear Emeraldians. I, Shrihan Sahoo, stand before you today with a dream and a vision for our house Emerald. If I have the honor of being elected as the Vice Captain, I pledge to create opportunities for every student to participate and excel in various activities. I firmly believe that teamwork and collaboration are the keys to success, and I will ensure that our house works as a cohesive unit, supporting and encouraging one another. I'm not afraid of criticism. In fact, I welcome it as an opportunity to grow and improve. Your concerns and valuable advice will be my big guiding light as I strive to fulfill my responsibilities. I'm confident that my experience and dedication make me a suitable candidate for this role. Being elected as the vice captain would not only allow me to serve you all, but it would also be a personal achievement, driving me to work harder for our collective success. I believe that by integrating environmental consciousness into our daily lives, we can make a significant impact. Small steps such as using reusable water bottles, reducing plastic waste, and practicing responsible consumption can collectively lead to a more sustainable lifestyle. We can practice these in our canteens and classrooms. As your vice captain, I will advocate for these practices and support initiatives that promote environment stewardship. Your vote for me is a vote for performance and teamwork. Together we can surpass our potential and achieve greatness. Let's unite to make Emerald House shine brighter than ever before. Thank you for your attention and I sincerely ask your support for in this endeavor. Let's embark on this journey together, creating a legacy we can be proud of. Thank you.